Hi, I'm Angie Nelson, founder of theworkathomelife.com. Some people aren't looking to get rich online. They're simply are looking to earn a few $100 extra each month to help out with the bills. Thankfully, not every opportunity requires a scheduling commitment, and many side hustle options can help you make an extra $10 a day online with just a little ongoing work. Make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out how you can get my list of 22 ways to make extra money online. The first easy opportunity I wanted to talk to you today about was called Clickworker. Now this website is something that we call a micro task site or a small task site. Now this site lists a lot of little online tasks like writing or search engine evaluation. And the site says that they pay around $9 per hour. The biggest complaint that I've seen is that you have to wait for your work to be approved before you can get paid, and that can take some time. But once approved, pay is weekly by PayPal or direct deposit. Now Mturk is a lot like Clickworker, and then it's crowdsourcing tasks. And what that means is that there are a lot of people competing for small segments of a big project. The tasks here are a lot more varied, with everything from transcription to surveys. Now, these are sometimes what we can refer to as penny projects, and that in most cases it's really easy work and you're probably getting being paid pennies per task. But it's something that you can pick up jobs as you see fit and as you have time available. And you can also pick and choose the type of tasks that you want to work on. You aren't assigned something by the company itself. Swagbucks will allow you to earn SB or Swagbucks by completing online surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. The amount that you can earn each day will be determined by your preferred activities. Some days you might earn more, some days you might earn a little less. You can up your earnings by referring friends to the Swagbucks platform. You receive 10% of their earnings for life. Now, website testing is one of my readers' favorite easy work-at-home jobs. There are several sites that will pay you around $5 to $15 for giving feedback on websites. The work can be sporadic, so I highly recommend signing up for several sites and then make sure you watch your email for those tests to come in. They can get grabbed up quickly. But this is really simple work. If you've ever been to a website and thought, gosh, their navigation is really bad, or oh, these colors are horrible, that's something that you would leave feedback on as a website tester. Search engine evaluation is another gig loved by many. It's essentially looking at search results or ads and determining their relevancy and quality. There is a lot of flexibility in scheduling, and the pay here is usually around $12 an hour. There are companies called Lionbridge, Elite Force, and Appen that hire for these positions. Fancy Hands is a virtual assistant firm that performs small tasks for individuals and business owners. You may be setting an appointment or doing internet research. Each task has a set rate, and you can pick and choose those that are of interest to you. This is a fast and easy way to make a few extra bucks a day when the work is available. Now keep in mind, none of these are guaranteed. Some places may have work and better offers on some days than others. So, as they say, make hay while the sun shines. It's also a good idea to combine a few of these opportunities as well to make sure that you are meeting your $10 a day goal without getting burned out or overwhelmed. Now, if you like today's video, please click the like button below, share it with your friends, and make sure you're subscribed. And make sure you pick up your free list of my favorite extra money earners at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.